Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm having to redo my Halloween Lush collection video because the original footage from that is shaky. It looks like somebody's just shaking the camera like this, so it's unusable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about each product, and what I will do is, because I have used some of the products, I'm going to insert clips from the old video. And if I can't, because they're just too shaky, I'll insert pictures and I'm going to talk about them and tell you what I think of the products. Before we get into that, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because it just really helps. It helps you be notified whenever I upload, and liking the video actually helps me get noticed more. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So the first items I'm going to talk about are things that I've used before. Sorry if I keep looking away, I have my laptop over here with the products up so that I can tell you what's in them and such and the like. So the first item that I repurchased was the Nana shower gel and the tea tree toner water. I'm not going to go into the details of what's in them because if you go to my last Lush video, the bubble bar video, they were bought in that one as well, so their ingredients and stuff are in that video, so go check that one out. I did say in that video that I will tell you what I thought of the toner water, and I can say that I'm very impressed with it because using it, especially at the moment with the masks and that we have to wear on the daily now, especially when I'm at work, I can wear them up to 10 hours a day. My skin can be ruined, and I mean horrifically ruined. So if I mix that in with my normal skincare and the Lush mask of begins with an M, terrible. If I can remember what it's called, I will put a picture up here. If I use them two together and the next day my skin looks a heck of a lot better than it did. I would definitely recommend the toner water itself. It is nice and it's light on the skin, and if you have sensitive skin like me, it does really help. It's not too aggressive on the skin. The next item that I got was the Lord of Misrule shower gel. That again is something I've used for a long time. It's a peppery one, and so it's mainly made with black pepper. It's got quite the earthy smell to it, but it is very nice. If you do like earthy scents, I would recommend it. Again, I feel like I have mentioned that one in another video, so if you check that one out. The next item is actually the Lord of Misrule bath bomb. Again, it's again made with black pepper, so it's very earthy. My partner, for some bizarre reason, thinks that it smells sweet. Don't ask me why, but there you go. Dark Smutter patchouli oil. Again, in advance, I am going to butcher some of these names because I'm terrible at pronouncing things. As well as black pepper oil, popping candy, and vanilla absolute with the bath bomb. If you haven't used this bath bomb before, it starts out green and then it turns pink, and there's little pops of the popping candy obviously within it. It is very nice and the smell is quite strong, so it's very nice. I would recommend going on my Instagram and following me there as well, because I do actually take pictures of bath bombs in use. There you'll be able to see what they look like in person. The next item I got was the Monster Ball bath bomb, and that one is quite a pink one. I would recommend, if you have blonde or silver or grey hair, be careful about getting your hair in there for too long. I had an instance last year where I ended up with pink tints to my silver hair, so watch out for that. The eye itself in there does actually come off, so that threw me when I first used it, but there you go. In that bath bomb there is lime oil, olibanum oil, Himalayan salt, and Nouril oil. Again, butchered it, I'm sorry. This one, it isn't as in your face as the Lord of Misrule bath bomb. It's quite more subtle has the citrusy scent to it. I love citrusy scents, so it is nice, it is subtle, but do be careful, it can sometimes turn your skin pink and your hair pink too. The next item I got, which is again something I've used before in the past, is the pumpkin, and that one has cinnamon leaf oil, sweet wild orange oil, Sicilian red mandarin oil, and lime oil in it. So again, this is one of the ones very citrusy, but it is very nice. It isn't too in your face like some citrusy scents can, but it is still very nice. And if you do like a subtle orangey scent, I would very much recommend it. The next item that I got was the Bewitched Bubble Bar. Again, this is one that I would cut up and try to get more than one use out of it. It is very easy to do. In this one, you've got that oily banana oil, bergamot oil, as well as cornstarch within that. This again is quite a subtle scent. It's mainly, I say it mainly just bubbles more than anything else. It turns your water a little black as well, but it is very good for the bubbles. If you do like what I do, is while the water's running, if you shake the water about, if that makes sense, you do get more bubbles with it. It is something I would recommend for the Halloween season, which I do know has come and gone, but for next year they will probably release it again, so I would recommend it for then. There was 2 new items that they added to the Halloween collection this year, as well as the ones that were re-releases. The first one was the very, very frightening shower gel, and that one is made with grapefruit oil, fresh lemon juice, bergamot oil, and almond essence oil. This is quite a subtle one. I have been using it recently. It's not too in your face. It is a very yellow one. It's quite a thin one as well. So like, say for your shower gels like Nana, that's very thick. This one's quite thin, and I would say it's a bit more thinner in consistency than the Lord of Misrule one. It is nice. It does give you that citrusy scent. It doesn't linger on the skin as long as, say, Nana does or the Lord of Misrule one does, but it does last quite a while on the skin and does leave you feeling refreshed. So I would very much recommend that one. The next item from the new collection is the Bat Art Bath Bomb, and that one has Sicilian lemon oil, rosemary oil, sage oil, and green mandarin oil. Again, this is quite, I haven't actually used this one yet. From the first video when I did show it and smell it, it was very citrusy, but not as in your face as some of the citrusy bath bombs can be from Lush. So again, I would recommend giving it a try when it does come out next year, if it does. I know this video was a bit late, again, because of me having trouble getting back into filming and then having to re-film it again. I've completely missed Halloween. I'm a bit behind at the times, but that's kind of how my YouTube channel kind of rolls at the moment. So if anything, if you do already have the products and you haven't used them yet and you want some insight, please go to my Instagram to see how they'll look. The next Lush video I have actually just bought the Lush Christmas collection, so I'll be showcasing that soon. And yeah, again, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.